Hi guys, today is our first video, so we're going to introduce ourselves. My name is Tiffany.
My name is Gabriel. My name is Juliana.
And today we're going to be making
Creepy
crawlers! Okay, so we just got it brand new.
Yeah.
So we wanted to show you guys how it looks. So we got two different kinds. Oh, this is a big box.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on the box, guys. Okay, so this is the, what is it? It's the Crepple Pepple pencil top creatures. I guess this goes on the top of pencils. And it comes with a whole bunch of stuff.
Yeah.
And
That one.
we're going to be using the Creepy Crawlers Bug Maker.
Yeah.
So I used to use this when I was younger, and I wanted to introduce it to my kids and maybe introduce you guys to it as well. So, here it is on this side. It's moving around a lot. So, here we go. On the front of it is showing you the creepy crawlers going into the oven and stuff. So, Julie, can you pass me a scissors, booby?
Sure.
Okay, forget it. I got it. Okay. So, we're going to open this up now and see what we got in here. Careful with your face, Gaby. Okay, let's see if we can.
Open.
No, not. Wait, Poppy, watch out a little bit. Okay, let's see. Okay.
Let's see what we got here.
Okay.
Oh,
Careful taking it out.
Guys, be able to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below if you like this. Thanks.
Okay, so this will be the
I'm just biting.
oven that you use to make the creepy crawlers.
This is how you make them.
That's
This is the ants.
careful, guys.
We have some dinosaurs.
So they sent us
We have
also the plastic goop. They sent a
And
couple.
we sent this.
We sent
have
a couple colors. They have pink, purple, and I guess gray.
And I guess blue.
Oh, they sent blue too?
Yeah. And they
Blue.
sent these stuff.
Oh, they sent a whole bunch of it.
And they sent a squish.
Okay. So let's see what is going on.
So
Okay,
guys,
so it says, use your goop detailing pen to decorate and detail everything you make in your bug maker. You'll love decorating this creature's tails, claws. Okay. Adding details. Start by
This
adding
what
a
you guys
few
know.
drops of goop compound into the desired area of the mold using your goop detailing spread.
I should
Okay.
have more of these. Okay.
While filling your mold, be sure to use only goop FX in each of the legs and small crevices. Use plastic goop compound to fill the body cavity. Okay. Take a bottle of plastic goop compound and shake it well. Remove cap and ask an adult
I showed them
to pierce the tip of the nozzle with a safety. Okay. Your creatures are now able to be placed in. Okay, we're going to leave it in there for 8 to 12 minutes. Okay. That's not that bad. All right. So, okay, so we need, okay, this is the spatula that we're going to, okay, give me 1 second. This is the spatula that we're going to use to put our molds on. So what we're going to do is after we create the molds, we're going to put it on this and we're going to put it inside the oven. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to plug in
This is the cooking tray.
the cooling tray, sweetie.
Oh, okay. Cooling tray.
Okay, so we plug it in.
So, guys. Whoa!
Yeah, okay, so now,
Let's show them.
wait, don't pick it up because it's going to be hot.
Oh, okay.
So here, you guys hold the goop.
Okay, we have some goop over here. Give me
Okay,
some
so I'm going to show you guys what's going on here. Let's lower the camera
Let's
down a
show
little
them.
bit. Let's remove this box from off the table so that way we have space and no one gets hurt or
Oh, what is
burned.
this?
Just leave that here on the table. Leave everything on the table.
Okay.
So now we have to move the box, guys.
Okay. Show them which one you are guys.
Move the box.
Oh, okay. Show them which one.
Okay.
I'm going to
So
pick.
this is this bubble wrap is underneath the table. So just so you guys don't think we're gonna make a fire, it's a glass table. So okay. So here we go. We have a little. You see how it says hot? Do not touch because it's the bulb. So we have like a little creature on the top. We're gonna let this start. Okay. So now it said that they have different type of goops. So this is the plastic goop. This is also plastic goop.
Plastic goop.
Well, did you read it to make sure, baby?
Okay. Plastic goop. Plastic goop. Plastic goop.
Okay, because it said that there were certain ones to be used.
Plastic goop. Plastic glue. Oh, pink. Plastic glue. What is these? Mommy, look. There's kind of these.
Okay, I guess that's like stuff to if you want to like.
If you guys really want to detail it a lot, they come with extra detail things. So if there's like little
Don't touch that.
If there's like little spaces.
Didn't I just say it was hot?
Then you
Did you get burned?
Like put it in
Okay.
the little spaces.
So both of you guys pick one.
Okay.
Pick a
I
mold.
want to do the dinosaur.
Okay.
I'm going to do.
I thought it came with a spider.
It does.
Where?
It's right in here.
No, I want a big one.
That's a big one.
Okay, so I guess I'm going to be making this. This is
Hey, I was
probably
gonna
an
make
ant.
that. Okay.
Oh.
Sorry. I'll just make them all.
Okay.
I'll take these.
Okay. So I could smell that the light is actually turning on. So we're going to pick our colors.
I want to pick my color.
Okay. I'm going to
I'm
make.
gonna pick my color.
I'm going to use purple.
I'm gonna use this beetle, and I'm gonna use it. Let's see.
I wonder.
I'm gonna use
I
it.
just got it on me. Okay, so now we're
This.
going to fill in
and-
our little creatures.
Okay, we're filling it in.
Be careful, don't make a mess because they said that if it overfills, it's going to...
How do I do this? I can help you. Oh, I know. So which one are you gonna do? Oh,
Who?
the dinosaur is gonna be easy. I actually want to change mine. I'm gonna do the little dinosaur.
Yes.
I'm gonna do a dinosaur.
Okay. There you go. I'm going to do mine different colors. I want to
Me
see
too.
how my creature is going to come out. You gotta, I think you have to use a little bit more than the...
I'm gonna do both of these dinosaurs. Okay, that's enough. Okay. God.
Okay, let's see. What color did you use? Okay, I want to use some different crazy colors since Halloween is coming up. Oh my goodness, this baby is just... Is this the same color I was using? I hope not. I think it is. That's crazy.
I'm using green because green is my favorite
Okay.
color.
So right now I created...
I made the tail pink. Cool. 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 I didn't do the foot yet.
Okay, so I'm going to show you guys my little creation.
Oops. I kind of put a little bit too much.
Okay, well I guess we got to just wipe it off. So right now this is what I was doing. So we filled it up. Well, I filled it up. And I'm probably going to put a little bit more color into it. Just so that, let's make some space so that you can see what we're doing. So, alright, maybe I could add a little color on top. A little bit more for the ant. Okay. He's gonna look scary.
Mine is going to be green-headed and purple body.
Okay. Mine is gonna look like a spider.
I can't really
crazy.
show them mine because it's too overfilled.
Okay, so at this point in time, we're going to try and pick up the mold.
Oh, I like Gables.
Oh, Gabriel's is like tie-dye-ish. Okay, so now we are going to carefully pick this up. And I'm assuming we're going to lift this up or... Right?
Yeah. I think.
So I don't want to break it. So
do you know how to do this?
yeah,
you did it before?
I don't want to break
we need
it.
a little bit too much.
Hmm.
You need help? No.
I wonder what's going on here.
Oh, I forgot.
Maybe there's a button that.
Silly me. Okay, this one's gonna be the mold, so I'm gonna do this one pink.
This is so different than the one that I had.
Oh, that's too bad.
The one that we had, we would just have an open space and put it in, but I guess kids were getting burnt and stuff, so.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Okay, so it's down.
Okay, that's enough. Okay. Gosh. And I wonder why did I put that thing. Oh my god. I'm doing the legs pink on this one. Because this one's going to be the mom and they need to know. This is going to be the coolest thing I ever did.
Okay, I don't know what's going on here, but I don't know why isn't it opening, and I don't want to touch the back of it, but
Gabby, you didn't close one. Oh, Gabby, you didn't close one. I didn't open that.
that might have been me.
Oh, sorry.
I don't want to break it, you know.
Maybe they put.
Well, that's what I'm saying. It's on already, so maybe it's pointing over here.
Who's the cat? Maybe they press it.
No, I don't think so. I don't know. Why isn't it too? It's strange, right? Yeah. I don't want to break it at all. Let me see. I don't know. I don't want it to break. Oh, let's see.
Can I do another one?
Well, just wait for that one. Hold on.
Why were you looking at mine? Oh, because I had two and you wanted to do another one? Gable. I'm gonna do this one next. Okay, but don't do it now. How do you do this? Oh. Okay, we lost the cat for something. Oh, thanks. I'm so weird. Okay, so now we're going to do this one. I don't know if I already used this. No, I did. I did. Cool.
I don't know why this isn't opening. Let me see what's going on here. Okay, I don't want to burn myself, but there's a thing here that's pointing to the side. I don't know what is on the side.
Maybe, Mommy, I got a little bit on me.
It's okay, it's non-toxic.
What is that?
It's not going to burn you. I think it might be actually stuck, I'm not sure. I don't want to break it, and then I hear it clicking, so... I don't know.
It says you're supposed to do it like right there.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm saying. I see that, but...
Yeah, but you're moving mine. Guys, if you know how to do this,
I just don't want to break it, you know?
To subscribe and hit the bell. Wait. Comment down below if we're doing this one, guys.
We probably are, but maybe... I don't know why it's not opening, like...
Maybe we need to put these things in...
No, because then you would have to put it, like... Because, like, you see, like, you can't do it like that. And it was just supposed to open, like, naturally, like...
Maybe you need to...
And I don't want to break it.
Maybe you need to do this, and then it could have... Gable, can you stop?
I don't know. And it's like it's on all the way. don't know what's going on here.
No, you moved nothing. You're supposed to get the coloring tray?
We did that already, Booby. I don't know what's going on.
Label sheet. We need a label sheet. We have a label sheet.
But what do you need a label sheet for, George?
Oh, maybe it's for this. Maybe this is a label sheet. That's not the label sheet. What is it? This is a label sheet? No.
That is so strange. Okay, we're going to pause this until we could open this.